This is Liam. Hey Liam. Hey baby boy. He's our cute little guy. His ID number is A1263059. He's a 14-week-old terrier mix. He was brought in as a stray on November the 6th, and he is 8.4 pounds. And we're just kind of letting him do whatever he wants because he's just so sweet. Like, he was on a leash earlier. He was just frolicking along with his tail wagging, and at one point he like kind of got up on his hind legs and kind of wanted to be picked up, but we just let him do whatever he wants because he's such a little baby and he's so sweet. Like, he's not running around or chasing other dogs, and there's a lot of other dogs out here. He's good with them. He was actually kenneled with a couple other dogs, and he just kind of plopped right into my chair over here and sat down and is just our little prince for the day. A little tail wagger. He's so cute. We really want to get him out of here. He loves to give kisses. He's great with other dogs, like I said. Sweet, playful pup. Please come and meet Liam today and give him a loving home. Hey, Liam. Hey, sweet boy. Oh, he's so cute. Come meet Liam, you guys. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh, hi.